When I start off running, I think it's about gathering a good stride and pace. Gradually, as you run more and you pick up your pace, a certain adrenaline kind of hits you, And I think that happens, you get more energetic. I kind of look at my day, what I have to do in the restaurants, critique food tastings, business meetings, meet my accountant. My mind is constantly churning, and I think running it is a way to dissect it, digest it, break them all down. Being a chef, you have very long hours. Looking at how a chef operates his day is almost like an athlete. You have to be sharp and fit, energetic, especially when you lead a team, so you have to stay ahead of the game. My name is Chef Andrew Walsh from Cure Restaurant Singapore, which is now Cure Nua, serving Nua Irish cuisine. Been on these runs that were going on through the circuit breaker period because it was a schedule that I never had. Just been able to get a sense of freedom in terms of my mind. That's where the Cure Nua was born. Like anyone who's missing home, missing family, missing the nature of Ireland, the landscape, the great produce, it was nice to be able to recreate it in my own mind, and then of course in my own restaurant. So the first dish that we're going to do for you today is going to be a beautiful scallop dish. It is from the coast of Northern Ireland. It's done in a more ceviche style with beautiful apples and a little apple juice, so that cures the scallop along with a bit of elderflower. And then on the side is the roe of the scallop, so it's battered, deep fried. And then we spray it with vinegar because back in Ireland and UK they love to put malt vinegar on fries and fish and chips. And then we sprinkle a nice caper powder on it. Another dish I'm going to do for you today is a dish of potato, seaweed and caviar. It's in memory of those who perished or either immigrated in the Great Irish Potato Famine. This is what we call potato, seaweed, caviar from 1847, which was known as the Black Year. We're using black kelp in it, which is the seaweed, potato, which is the main ingredient in Ireland, a cep mushroom sauce, horseradish cream, and also N25 caviar. First of all, Singapore has a great dining scene. I also feel very privileged to be in a place that has such an abundance of great culinary diversity. I just felt that it was time to fly the flag for Irish food. If we can't travel to Ireland, I wanted to bring Ireland too.